To you. Hey, ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Natsko. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Oh, you missed one.
Oh, dude. Okay.
No, you suck at blowing candles, man.
Suck at blowing candles. No, no.
Blow harder.
Put it in water, Cat. Not in my house. Put it in water.
Hey, they're on again. Blow them again.
Is it over? No, it's never over.
Anybody want some?
Everyone wants some.
What are you doing?
Yeah, throw it in alcohol.
Whoa, you just This is a special candle.
Yeah, I want it. I want to keep it.
Okay.
It's a good story.
Thank you everybody for coming.
I graduated. What's up? Wait, graduated from what?
Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming. Is there anything you guys want to say for Natsko's birthday? Thank you guys for coming. You guys want to say anything for Natsko's birthday? Happy birthday!
Go clubbing.
Happy birthday, Kat. Love you.
Finally legal to go club.
You guys want to say anything for Natsko's birthday?
Happy birthday. You
Happy birthday.
the hole in my heart.
Oh.
Yeah, because I have the hole in her. You have the hole in her heart.
So is there anything you'd like to say for Natsko's birthday? Is there anything you want to say for Kat's birthday?
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Carly, what do you got to say for Natsko's birthday?
I love you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Andrew, my homeboy. One of the good friends of Natsko. What do you got to say for Kat for her birthday?
Who's Cat?
Wow. Oh.
Happy birthday. Hey, it's her birthday.
What do you guys got to say for Kat's birthday?
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Hitler.
Hitler.
Happy birthday, Kat. Mahal kita.
Alright. Danny, what do you got to say for Kat's birthday?
Don't get drunk.
Oh.
Make your voice deep.
Liz.
Happy birthday, Nats. Have fun.
Awesome. Natsko, what do you got to say for your birthday?
I'm old.
There you have it. From the birthday girl herself. Peace.